Alright, so Rainy here. We got a visitor. Got some YouTube royalty today. Oh!
What's happening, son bitch?
Came to get some rust.
Rust. You got any around here?
The original Hack and Pack.
You got any rust around this son bitch?
Right here.
Something here. I'm hungry.
This Volkswagen over here is full of it.
Been in Florida like 4 days. I'm going through withdrawals with the rust.
There you go. Famous YouTuber in the house.
Son bitch.
So how many miles do we got?
We shut the door and I can find out. I got it.
Oh. We were arguing that it showed the mileage, and she's like, "Oh yeah, all you gotta do is turn it on." Well, you gotta reprogram it or something? I thought it just showed up. I thought the mileage just popped up.
It wasn't. I'm trying to find it in the thing.
Oh, see, I told you they had it hidden.
Well, I'll find it.
Andrea says I need an SUV. I should trade my Mustang in on a, I don't know. What was that thing we had here the other day? Ford Explorer.
It was Explorer. Alright, the mileage, fuel range mileage. It's got to be in one of these menus.
Well, it doesn't have to be.
No,
What if it
when
doesn't?
it comes in for service, the writer's got to write the mileage down. There's a freaking button that's going to tell us.
Maybe you got to plug it in now or something. Who knows with today's technology.
No, but see, it's not. Yeah, get in the car.
Oh, you got the radio on. I can't. Oh, I heard the radio.
I just turned it back off. I didn't know one of these buttons over here does the radio.
Could you imagine tripping with her? Huh? Piss her. You want to go? You want us to give you a ride back home?
Fun on a road trip.
I'll drive my unrusty Jeep. My Florida bought Jeep.
Ooh, Pister's got a nice Jeep for sale when he gets home.
This is gonna piss
Two-wheel drive, hot rod V8.
Yeah, two-wheel drive, hot rod V8.
You can't figure it out, baby? Is the car smarter than you?
I'm not giving up.
Oh, they're on the plane.
Oh, Pister's got to leave. He's just stopping by for a short visit. I got to get up there to New York, man.
Yeah.
It's been a while. Of course, it's almost like Canada.
I think it was hotter up there this week than it was down here.
Yeah, it's been a heat wave.
Bad, yeah.
You just walk out and you're sweating. People always comment that I sweat a lot. I'm like, well, it's 100 degrees.
That's right. It was my main stipulation when I bought something at the auction yesterday. It's got to have cold AC.
I want to have AC.
It was blowing out cool when I picked it up, and I'm like, yeah, it just needs a little shot. So I went down to the Advance and just bought a can of it, gave it a little burst.
Owner's manual in there.
I got an extra can if you want some for the road. I bet this thing, they can lock the mileage. I don't know why. I mean, eventually you got to disclose what the mileage is. Used car tricks.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty nice, but it's not, you know, I mean, this is what they call a Cadillac now.
Yeah, it still smells newish.
15? What is it, a 16 or 15? Finished this one the other day. Last night it came. I did it last night. So. Anyway, that's what's going on there. Got the sway bar painted over there, ready to go on. And it's a little bit of rain today. That's what's happening here. Andrew's determined to get the mileage off the car. Now Pister's giving assistance. See if they can both figure it out. They're both trying to figure it. Oh, that's OnStar, man. Don't call the OnStar people.
What?
What do you call an OnStar?
No, we're checking to see if it's in the...
Call them and tell them your blinker fluid's low and you need to know your mileage.
Yeah.
I think I just give up.
No,
Just
I'm not,
say no, I was wrong, honey. I can't figure it out.
Oh no, that'll never happen.
Come on, man. I gotta end this video. Can you just tell everybody you were wrong?
I'm not gonna say I'm wrong. I'm saying I'll figure out how to figure out the mileage.
But just say, hey, I turned it on and the mileage didn't come up. Hello?
Automatically come up, and it's got to come up. You got to be able to read it somewhere.
Yeah, they give the average mile per year, I think.
Yeah, they're not giving you shit though.
No, not a lot of information there. Just buy it.
It's probably got 130K.
It's nice. It'll never leave you stranded. All right, I'm going to turn this off, baby. Come on, tell them you were wrong.
It's got 3.6, it'll leave them stranded.
What?
Eventually.
Yeah.
You know how many timing chains we've done on these damn things?
All right, we're going to go.
You can go. I'm going to stay here and figure this out.
You're defeated. She's going to be here on the next video reading the owner's manual.
Yeah. 3 hours from now.